The urge of keeping one's hard-earned money safe and useful has been encouraging the stock market for years. People investing in stocks is an ever-increasing phenomenon that has no end. Amidst the tension of trading with efficiency, trading apps emerged as a solution to all the stock problems. The trading applications have been fulfilling the needs of a diverse generation, and the entrepreneurs owning the trading applications altogether. This industry is indeed a treasure box for an entrepreneur, as the perks that trading app development will bring along are worthwhile. The market value of the trading applications is expected to have a worth of United States dollars $89.8 billion by 2032. Trading applications have essential features like improved auditing along with decision-making capabilities, and these features add to the elevated prominence of trading apps. Despite the obvious perks, if you are confused thinking about how a trading app benefits you, then let us give you some ice-breaking and realistic answers. First, trading apps cater to audiences of diverse backgrounds, like youth who is trying to understand analytics, the stock market, and investments. First-time investors who are keen to invest smartly but lack knowledge. Tech geeks who thrive to get information and statistics on the same platform. Professionals who wish to invest swiftly without time wastage and have greater benefits. Second, trading apps don't need much of your input, the target audiences automatically pave their way. Third, you can gain immense popularity and fame, as the trading apps promote online payments, transaction details, alerts, as well as transfers. Considering the consistent growth and dynamics of the stock trading app market size, the right time for you to make an investment is now. Stock trading apps brings money and fame altogether. By developing a trading application, you can give your users a hub to monitor market activities, give real-time stock quotes, and do much more. The commission earned by the stock trading apps is the most attractive aspect. Robinhood, one of the most famous trading applications, has over 20.9 users worldwide and recently earned a valuation of $90 million. You can be the next Robinhood in this industry by beating the competition and making your number one place abruptly. Making wise investment decisions is something that a smart entrepreneur will look into. And this app development will indeed be a win-win situation for your venture. Availing of an ACE application is possible by connecting to an ACE app development company. And Aptionix is the best stock app development company that will deploy a premium trading application. We ensure integrating adept features like check-in process, user profile, putting trades on stocks, real-time portfolios, deposits, search, analytics, push notifications, newsfeed. The latest technology embedded with the experience of our skilled developers will shape your trading app better than the leading trading apps like eTrade, Stash, and Robinhood. We will not only build a stock trading application for you, but we will also guide you to walk ahead of the leading trading apps and earn better revenue. Wait no more. Get into the zeal of earning greater profits with your own stock trading application. Aptionix is here to guide you in every way possible.